Good morning, grade 2. Today we're going to do Thursday morning's daily language review, okay? First thing you need to do is you write your name. I'm writing Mrs. Moyadeen. There we go. Okay, read the directions, correct the sentences. If you don't have this paper, it doesn't matter. You can just follow along, or you can print it off on the side, okay? Correct the sentences. Okay, this is a little bit toughy. Weren't that a scary movie? Okay, first things first, what is the first thing you always do? You always check to see if you have a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. No, so we'll fix that. Okay, and then we need punctuation at the end. Weren't that a scary movie? Okay, you're asking for somebody to tell you something, some information back, so you're going to put a question mark here. I'm going to put the caret to insert a question mark, okay? Weren't that a scary movie? Okay, the problem is, there's a couple problems right here with this word, weren't, okay? Right now we are talking about scary movies. This is the verb. You're saying scary movie. Okay, how many movies are there? How many? There's only one. Okay, so this verb is going with this noun. Scary movie was. So instead of were, if it was more than one scary movie, it said weren't those scary movies? That would be okay. But it's only one, so we need to use wasn't. Okay, so we're going to have the capital. I'm going to fix it. And then there's one more problem here. Remember we talked about the apostrophe that goes in when a letter goes out? When you have NT at the end of the word, okay, it's probably because an O has come out of it, okay? So it's going to be was not or wasn't. Okay? So we're going to put an apostrophe here, insert the apostrophe, and then put the T. Okay? There, that one was okay. Wasn't too bad. Next one. Didn't you went to the Christmas play? Okay. First things first. Start with it. Let's see, we got the capital letter here, so put the 3 editing marks. Didn't you went to the Christmas play? Okay. Couple of things at this end where it's didn't. We're asking somebody to tell us something, so we're waiting for an answer. So we're going to insert a question mark here. Okay? Didn't you? Okay, so that's okay. Didn't you went to the Christmas play? Christmas is the name of a holiday. Like if we wrote Eid, we wouldn't write it like this. We would write it like this. Okay, holidays begin with capital letters. Okay, so we're going to write capital letter under for Christmas. Okay, so we're going to put those 3 editing marks. Didn't you went? I don't know if you remember the other day when I said that we only need one word to make it past tense. Okay, this right here should not be here. Went doesn't go here. We have to put go. Didn't you go to the Christmas play? We're still talking about something in the past, but we only need this word to make it in the past. Okay? Okay, next one. Find the verbs in the sentence. Okay, this is going to be easy. Do you guys remember what a verb is? Yes, a verb is an action word. It shows that something has been done or is being done. Okay? Let me read the sentence to you. The yellow bus drove down the street and stopped at the corner. Okay, there's a couple here. The, no, yellow, no, bus, no, drove. Yes, this is what it did. So we're going to circle that one. Down the street and stopped. Stopped is also a verb, okay? So those are our 2 verbs. What pronoun could take the place of Mike in this sentence? Okay, number 4. Mike rode the bus home. Okay, Mike, right here, we want to change this with a pronoun. Okay, we can use he, it, she, any of those. Which one do you think would go there? Okay, these are our subject pronouns, okay? And they're singular. These are our singular subject pronouns. Okay, Mike is usually a guy's name, so we're going to say he. So instead of Mike, we're going to make he here. He rode the bus home. Makes sense, doesn't it? Okay, next one. Find the missing word. The princess blank for the ball. The princess dressed for the ball. The princess dressing for the ball. Or the princess dressed for the ball. The princess dressed for the ball. That makes sense, doesn't it? Yes. Okay. Okay, you guys, give yourself a smiley face. Did a good job. Thank you. Bye. Good morning, everybody. This is Mrs. Moy Eugene, and today we're going to do Thursday's daily math review. Okay? Okay, first thing you have to do is you have to write your name. There you go, Mrs. Moy Eugene. Okay, now let's look at the first one. Remember I said the directions usually aren't here because everything's built in. 15 plus 10 plus 14. This is very similar to the one we did yesterday. Okay, remember it was horizontal addition, but I said I like vertical addition. Okay, but we can sort of just group these together. This is going to be pretty easy. 15 plus 10. What is 15 plus 10? You just do 15 plus 10. Do it over to the side. 15. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. So it's 25. So 25 plus 14. I'm going to put this over here and work it out. 25 plus 14. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 39. Okay? Okay, you guys, look right here. 68 minus 28. This one's pretty easy. There we go. It's vertical, and I like that. 8 minus 8 is 0, and 6 minus 2 is 4. Good job. Okay? Okay, let's look at the next one. It says, write the next numbers in the pattern. Pattern means, okay, that means that there's a string of them, and there's an order to it, and we can figure it out. Okay, so it's 2, 5, 8, 11, blank, blank. So we have to figure out what the blank, blank is, okay? Let's look. Between 2 and 5. Well, 5's bigger, so let's count up. 2, 3, 4, 5. We added 3. Let's see if it follows the same pattern. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it does. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, every time we're adding 3. Okay, so then we can figure it up. 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is next. 14, 15, 16, 17, and then 17. There we go. Okay, now let's look at the next one. Okay, this is 16 plus 4 is equal to 20, so 20 minus 4 is equal to what? Okay, this is a number family. Okay, so we know you have the same numbers here in this one as you would have in this one. Okay, so we've got the 20 there and the 20 there, the 4 there and the 4 there. So we're going to have 16. Does that make sense? 20 minus 4 is 16. See, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yep, it makes sense. Okay, now let's look at this one. Maisie made 3 cakes. She put 7 candles on each cake. How many candles did she use? Okay, you guys, when you have a word problem, you have to figure out first off what you need to do. And there's lots of ways that you could also solve that. You could just do whatever's easiest for you. Okay, you can draw pictures if you want to. Okay, she had 3 cakes. I'm just going to make circles. 3 cakes, and she put 7 candles in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then I can count them. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I got 21 here. Okay, what if I did something else? Okay, I've got 3 and 7. You guys are in 2nd grade, almost in 3rd grade. Okay, let's see, what are we doing here? When you're counting groups of numbers, you can also do that with multiplication. So you can do 3 cakes with 7 candles. 3 times 7 is 21. Okay, 21 is the answer. Good job, you guys. Give yourselves a smiley face. Excellent job. Take care. Bye.